Hello, it's Melanie Albert with Experience in Nutrition, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make hummus. So with hummus, we always start with some beans. So I have chickpeas and the chickpea water. We also have nuts and seeds. So I have sunflower seeds for one, walnuts for the other one, citrus, lemon and orange, and also some olive oil. And in both of them, I'm going to have a little bit of garlic and a little bit of sea salt. So I'm going to teach you today how to make two different hummuses with the sunflower seeds and the walnuts. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition. The mise en place is now set for both batches of hummus. So over here we have the sunflower seed hummus with the lemon, and right next to it, the walnut hummus with the orange. The mise en place is all set for the walnut orange hummus. And I'm going to start with processing the walnuts, olive oil, and the garlic, getting that nice and smooth. And then I will add in the zest from the orange juice, pinch of sea salt, the garbanzo beans, a little bit of garbanzo bean water. Process all that together, and that's the hummus. And now all of the ingredients have been processed for the walnut orange hummus. The mise en place is set for the sunflower lemon hummus, and I'm going to be starting by putting the sunflower seeds, the Meyer lemon oil, and the garlic into the processor, process that till it's smooth. Then I'll add in the lemon zest, lemon juice, a little bit of sea salt, chickpeas, and the chickpea water. The sunflower seed lemon hummus has now been processed, and the real key here is to have patience. It takes quite a while, maybe about 6 or 7 minutes to process the sunflower seeds with the oil and the garlic. So make that a mindful moment and enjoy processing your hummus. I love to plate, so I'm even very mindful with my plating mise en place with the hummus, the nuts and seeds, the citrus, and the flowers all ready for the plating. I'm happy to share with you the hummus, the walnut orange, sunflower seed lemon, all garnished with edible flowers. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition. Hello, it's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition, and I am really happy to share with you the hummus that I created today. So we have the walnut orange as well as the sunflower seed lemon, and what I invite you to do is create your own hummus. So cook some garbanzo beans. Think about any kinds of nuts and seeds that you might have in your kitchen, different olive oils that you might have to choose from, along with citrus, and have fun creating your hummus. I think it'll be a great activity with your family while we're all at home, and enjoy the process, and then if you have any edible flowers, garnish with edible flowers and make your plate beautiful. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition. Hello, it's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition, and I have to say I've had a great afternoon here making the hummus, so I hope you enjoy it. What I suggest you do is make the classic hummus and then experiment with other flavors. So today I experimented with turmeric and beet powder, so have fun making hummus at home, and it's such a great dish to make with your family. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition. So here's another look at today's set, getting ready to prepare the hummus. 2 different ways, walnut and sunflower seed.